battle of narratives also continues, with the BJP now responding to what Uddhav Thackeray has said. The BJP has slammed Uddhav Thackeray, saying that BJP will distribute it to the people who need it, going on to say that this is a bid to divide Hindus.
जी की तो प्रवृत्ति बन चुकी है कि हिंदू को बांटेंगे और वोट बैंक को एक करेंगे। बताइए उद्धव ठाकरे जी, ये कैसा सियासी धर्मांतरण है? अब तो आप उद्धव भारत साहब ठाकरे सेना नहीं, उद्धव भाईजान तंजीम बन चुके हैं। बाला साहब ठाकरे जी की सेना नहीं, आप तो सोनिया सेना बन चुके हैं। क्योंकि जिस प्रकार से 370 हटने का विरोध करने वाले लोगों के साथ आप बैठ गए, मंदिर का विरोध करने वाले लोगों के साथ आप बैठ गए, हिंदुत्व को गाली देने वाले लोगों के साथ आप बैठ गए, सावरकर जी का अपमान करने वाले लोगों के साथ आप बैठ गए, उन लोगों के साथ बैठ गए जो सीए कानून का विरोध करते हैं, और उन लोगों के साथ बैठ गए जो घुसपैठियों को सिलेंडर देना चाहते हैं, जो 10% मुस्लिम आरक्षण की बात करते हैं, जो उलेमा बोर्ड से लेकर ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड के फतवे पर कबूल 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 फरमाते हैं। तो इसीलिए आज तो हिंदू बांटेंगे और वोट बैंक एक करेंगे, ये आपकी प्रवृत्ति बन चुकी है। आप उद्धव सेना नहीं, सोनिया सेना बन चुके हैं। और बाला साहब ठाकरे जी के हर विचार को त्याग कर आपने विचारधारा जिहाद किया है। ऐसा अगर नहीं है तो सावरकर जी की और बाला साहब ठाकरे जी की प्रशंसा राहुल गांधी के मुंह से करवा के दिखाइए। आप तो अब बाला साहब ठाकरे जी का नाम भी नहीं लेते, ये आपकी हकीकत है। उद्धव ठाकरे जी की तो प्रवृत्ति बन चुकी है कि हिंदू।
So, all right, you heard the BJP's reaction as well. We have just a few more days to go, less than a week to go for the Maharashtra Assembly elections. Nilesh, there have been several narratives as we build up closer and get closer to the Maharashtra election date. What are going to be the key issues that the voters, the people, are going to think of as they go into the elections?
Well, just nearly 4 to 5 days left with the upcoming assembly election. The intensity of war of words, new slogans.
The war of words continues. Nilesh, my apologies. Do stay on with us. We have national spokesperson of the BJP, Shehzad Poonawalla, joining us on the broadcast. Shehzad, Uddhav Thackeray has now responded to the "Batenge to Katenge" slogan, and he says, "Lootenge or baatenge."
I feel sorry for Uddhav ji. Today he is no longer Uddhav Bala Saheb Thackeray Sena. He is Uddhav Bhaijan ki Tanzeem. Please ask your reporter Nilesh if one time also Uddhav ji in entire campaign has taken name of Bala Saheb Thackeray. BJP has spoken more of Bala Saheb Thackeray. This is because Rahul Gandhi has told Uddhav ji that Savarkar or Bala Saheb Thackeray ji ka naam nahi lena hai, and therefore those who are against Mandir, those who are against CA, those who are against the removal of 370, Uddhav ji has gone and sat with them. Now what option does he have but to accept whatever they say? And therefore he is doing Hindu ko baatenge और Muslim personal law board और ulema board के साथ vote bank को एक करेंगे. So he has now become somebody who accepts what the ulema board and the law board says, Muslim personal law board says. So therefore he has to stand up with Hindu division, and he is always with the vote bank jihad. This is what he is accepting and acknowledging.
Okay, all right, Shehzad, thank you for joining us. The BJP has responded to what Uddhav Thackeray has said and has also questioned Uddhav Thackeray. Why not mention the legacy of Bala Saheb Thackeray? The BJP saying that Uddhav Thackeray has not mentioned Bala Saheb Thackeray because it is in alliance with the Congress party. This time around, of course, with a change in alliances, it will be interesting to see how this is going to play out. Yes, the Mahavikas Aghadi and the Mahayuti did battle it out in the Lok Sabha elections, but it's going to be a battle of narratives, and how is that going to play out in the ground remains a question.